This is a surprise visit because I have been, when I was in the opposition, I was raising a voice that this Goa Medical College has become a dumping ground for garbage. If you look at the garbage, look at what is being dumped here. Look, everywhere it has become absolutely unhygienic. People from outside also are throwing, and there's lack of security. The security is absolutely redundant. This security needs to be thrown out first, which I'm going to work on and take it up with the Chief Minister. And most important is that all this garbage that is getting filled up in Goa Medical College is a hospital institution. This thing cannot happen. There is a total lapse on the management of Goa Medical College, and I am not going to take it very seriously. Whoever may be there, they have to at least give rounds and make sure that hygiene is maintained. That's why today I have asked this housekeeping agency to get a JCB, and I said, let me start myself. When we talk about Swachh Bharat, we should start from the Goa Medical College. There is no point in making slogans if we ourselves as ministers cannot take initiative to do something. So today we are starting this. I have requested Roy Vas to use his housekeeping agency people. And how many people have you brought now?
20, sir.
About 20 people, so that they can start cleaning it, and all this rubbish is taken care of. Gates are broken. Nobody seems to be in the last 5 years have taken any interest in even seeing that these gates are not repaired. Gates are not manned by the security. We have told them to now level this and clear all this out and make sure that this is maintained. This is open space. This is Yatri Niwas where patient and their relatives stay. So this cannot be an environment in Goa Medical College, and this is not tolerable by me. I am not going to tolerate it. The medical superintendent, I have instructed him that he should give rounds. If he has any difficulty, he should bring it to my knowledge. And so also the Dean of Goa Medical College has to make rounds. Somebody has to personally be sensitized so that they should treat this as their own institution. This is not acceptable. Whoever may be at the helm of affairs, this is not acceptable that Goa Medical College is a dumping ground for garbage. If I as a minister can come and take initiative and see that the housekeeping agencies are put to clean this, these are Goan brothers and sisters who come here to this hospital, and they come here for treatment. Infection will spread from here only. You don't need anything else to spread infection. So we have decided today that the meaning and Prime Minister's agenda of Swachh Bharat, we will start it here from Goa Medical College under my supervision, so that I initiated, so then at least maybe it will have some influence on the people heading the Goa Medical College to take little bit of interest and sensitize themselves to maintaining hygiene and cleanliness in the premises of Goa Medical College, which is necessary.